Hello, welcome to this class again. And today we're going to see how to play the exercise number 3 and exercise number 4. Well, on the exercise number 3, we're going to move to 3 chords, A, B, and C. And we're going to do the same way we did the exercise before. We're going to play 4 strokes down and then wait, pause of 4 beats. Play the next chord 4 strokes down, wait 4 beats, and then move to the next chord, play 4 strokes down, and then just wait 4 times. Wait the pause 4 times. So we just start over. So we start from the A major chord again. So let's see how to play it. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go back to the first chord. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Wait. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, and that's all for this exercise. We're just practicing to move to these 3 chords, moving over these 3 chords, A, B, and C sharp. Well, by the 4th exercise, we're gonna learn how to change strings. So we're gonna move from E major to A major. And we need to move the strings, not just slide down and slide up as we're doing before. But now we need to change the strings and taking one finger out and then putting one finger. So that is the movement we're going to do now. E major and A major. Sorry. So E major and A major. Maybe you want to try without the backing track first. You're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You're gonna see that it's easier to move from E major to A major than move from A major to E major. That's because you need to put finger 1. So it's one thing more to do, to think on it. So as you move, make sure you're putting your finger 1 on the first fret, 3rd string. Sometimes you press the 2nd string or the 4th string. Just make sure you're pressing the 3rd string. Okay, so A to E. That is what we're going to do. A major to E major. So let's try to do it with the backing track. So exercise number 4 right now. 2, 3, 4. A. 1, 2, 3. Move down. 2. Wait. Now move up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Move down. 2, 3. Move up again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Move down. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Move on. Okay. Great. That's a great exercise. Once we're playing it, it's so fun to play. Hope you are liking the chords. Hope you are getting that great sound we want to get on the chords. Make sure you are pressing the third string with your finger 1 when you go from A to E. And sometimes some students ask to always let finger 1 pressing through all the exercise like this, because it's just move this finger 2 and 3 up and down. Okay, you can do that, but if you are on B major, you have no chance to let your finger 1 press it down. So it's good in the first time doing that, but then try to take the finger out as you do the A major chord and then put it again when you're doing the E major chord. This way you practice to get the shape of the E major ready on your fingers when you're gonna play, you see? You get used to the chord. Well, I think that's all for this class. Don't forget, if you have any question, just make your question on the comment sections. I'll be very happy to help you, and see you on the next class.